Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we have an unboxing video of the Holybro X500 V2 ARF kit. The X500 V2 ARF kit is an affordable, lightweight, and durable carbon fiber professional drone kit that's very easy to assemble, taking no more than 15 minutes. The box includes the following materials: pre-installed propellers, a distribution board, hand tools for installation, zip ties, and 3M adhesive stickers. It also contains carbon fiber tubes, a battery mounting plate. The landing gear consists of 16mm and 10mm diameter carbon fiber tubes with reinforced and improved plastic connectors, and accessories for connecting the carbon fiber tubes to the bottom plate. Materials for connecting the battery plate. Additionally, you'll find the drone's top and bottom plates, both made of full carbon fiber with dimensions of 144 by 144 mm and a thickness of 2 mm. Screws are also included. The box contains the X500 V2 frame kit, with pre-installed motors, electronic speed controllers, high-strength and ultralight 16mm carbon fiber tubes with newly designed fiber-reinforced nylon connectors for the arms. The X500 V2 frame kit features a full carbon fiber weave material, with carbon fiber tube arms supported by newly designed fiber-reinforced nylon connectors. Convenient grooves on the connectors on both the motors and the frame make installation easier and more straightforward. The landing gear consists of 16mm and 10mm diameter carbon fiber tubes combined with thickened and reinforced connectors. The spacing between the upper and lower carbon fiber plates has been increased for easier operation. The platform board now includes mounting holes for GPS and popular companion computers such as the Raspberry Pi 4 and Jetson Nano. The adjustable battery mounting plate has been enlarged to support larger batteries, extending flight time. The rail mounting system is ready to accommodate various camera mounts and gimbals to meet different application needs. All mounting tools are provided in the packaging. That's everything in the box. Thank you for watching. For more information, stay tuned and see you in the next video.